Stand clear of the closing doors! This video is one of my 10-chapter series exploring Las Vegas, focusing on public transportation, how it works, and why it's getting worse. Before we begin our ride, let me introduce myself. I'm Transit Nomad, a world traveler, business owner, music composer, filmmaker, and life coach on a mission to explore cities through the lens of public transportation. Please consider paying your fare by liking and subscribing or buying me a coffee using the link below. All aboard, let's go! Let's begin with discussing ticket purchase options and pricing. Las Vegas is primarily being serviced by Regional Transportation Commission, also known as RTC. Let's head over to their official website to check on the most current prices and purchase options. As you can see on the screen, they have separate sections for residents and visitors. Since almost everyone watching this video is not going to be eligible for residential fares, and most of us will need to use the Deuce bus that services the main part of the Strip and downtown, we are going to have to focus on the all-access pass options for visitors. A single ride regular Las Vegas bus fare is $4. A 2-hour unlimited pass is $6. And a 24-hour pass is $8. There is also a 3-day unlimited pass available for $20. Las Vegas bus passes can be purchased through a smartphone app, in person at some stores, on board most of the buses, or through vending machines located at some bus stops. If you want to purchase your pass from your bus driver when boarding the bus, make sure to have exact change available in cash, as drivers do not give change. If you want to pay with a credit card, then it's best to use a ticket vending machine or the smartphone app. This way, you will get an actual pass that would allow you to transfer or use the bus later without having to pay again. If you tap your credit card when boarding the bus, it'll keep charging you every single time you board the bus. The last time I visited Las Vegas, I wasn't sure if there would be a ticket vending machine at my bus stop. So I installed the RTC smartphone app, and it was super easy to purchase several passes for me and my friends. Phone number verification was not required, and I was able to pay with one smartphone for the entire group. I recommend buying your passes this way ahead of time and then activating them when you are ready to board the bus. A 1-day pass is valid for 24 hours, so you can also use it on the following day depending on the time it's activated. Washington, D.C., San Diego, and many other cities should learn from Las Vegas how to sell 24-hour passes that do not expire at midnight, while letting people use one smartphone to pay for the entire group instead of forcing everyone to download the app and create an account. As for the actual cost of riding buses, if you think Las Vegas is a little pricey, I agree with you. But the front seats of a double-decker bus with an awesome city view might be worth it. And it's still cheaper than most other usable transportation options in Las Vegas, except for walking. Although in many cases, walking can be faster than taking the Deuce, and I'll explain why in the following chapters. There is also monorail, but it's located too far away from most attractions, and it's even more expensive than the bus. In conclusion, Las Vegas public transit ticket purchase options and pricing get a score of 8 out of 10. And now I have a question. Did you know that you can watch the entire Las Vegas video without having to wait for short segments to be released over time? It's much more enjoyable that way, and it's a great way to support my channel to help me make more videos like this. If that sounds like a win-win, please head over to buymeacoffee.com/transitnomad or click on the link below, where you can make a one-time donation for any amount of your choice or subscribe for a membership. It's a great opportunity to connect with like-minded people while enjoying private discussions, live streams, group calls, exclusive content with early access, and the option for direct one-on-one consulting with me, covering everything I know about trip planning, budgeting, productivity, nomadic living, dating, communication, business development, project management, marketing, photography, videography, music production, and other skills. As you can imagine, making videos like this takes forever, not to mention the actual cost of travel, so any contribution would be a huge help. Our next chapter is frequencies, schedules, and operating hours.